Hey guys, today we're back in the LX450, the 80 series. This is actually my brother-in-law's car, so in the last episode you saw me taking everything apart and giving it a deeper clean. There's like 30 years of gunk in this thing, so we want to do a good job of making it smell better. My wife already said it smells much better in here. And if you haven't seen the video already, you can go ahead and go look at that. It's super dark and disgusting. But today we're going to be pulling out this passenger chair and maybe even the driver's chair. I bought some new Gamaviti gears so we can move forward and back. Right now it reclines a little bit, but you can tell it's struggling going forward and back. So we're going to see if that's an easy fix or not. The passenger, it's mainly the passenger chair. The driver's chair does a lot better. But yeah, tag along while I work on this today. Hopefully it's easier than I think. Bro, you see this? About 3 inches. This is 3 1/4. So let's just make them both 3. We'll call it good. These keys are gone. That's why the seat ain't going nowhere. Grease. Don't forget to pack that. Just leave that one. So let's have that. Oh, leftover key there. There you go. There it is. Now that we finished doing the gearing on the seats, we're going to switch over to doing the power steering. The power steering in this car actually is power steering fluid and not ATF, what it actually calls for. So we're going to work on that today. We also need to bleed all 4 of the brakes. Hopefully we can get to that today, but yeah, join me as I do that. Okay, so the last owner, whoever they took this car to, put power steering fluid into this. This is like a common problem for this car. We are gonna switch it out for ATF today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this out and then just let that drip into like a cup or a bottle as we put in new fluid. Alright, I just switched out the fluid from power steering fluid to ATF, and honestly, it already steers much differently. I don't know if there's just a bunch of air bubbles in there or something, but everything seems a little bit more direct and, for lack of a better word, maybe like premium, slightly heavier. I don't know if that makes sense or not, but it feels a lot better. Totally glad I just did that. Alright, so we'll see how much time we have and we'll move on to the brakes. I learned that you're supposed to pump it really slow. Ooh, air. Holding? Yeah, go for it.
Where are you meeting it?
Apparently it's pretty good golf course.